Let's split a bit of traffic. As you can see, split. That's right. This guy is just, it was a girl. So split. This is why bikes are awesome. Remember guys, this is not legal in Portugal. Be very careful while doing this. If you get hit or if you hit someone, this guy is on the phone, you will be in trouble. And there's someone following me. There's a fellow splitter. There's a fellow splitter. Split lines, where you split and you follow the line. So the GPS is saying 9 minutes. This is a problem in these places. People stagger themselves to see up ahead, and then there's some guys like this. And when they do, people tend to not be able to move. And be very careful here. There's a bus up ahead, and the bus will conditionate traffic. Let's try to pass him. Okay. Split. Very, very careful. Some people don't even look on the mirror when the bike makes that kind of sound. By the way, we are being tailgated by a small 125, and I bet on you guys, if I moved over, he would pass me like there's nobody's business. And there's police up ahead. There's police up ahead. Yep. So the reason there's this traffic all around here is because of the police up ahead. Come on, lady. And as you can see, the 125 just passed us. This rear brake. Almost. As you can see, guys, there's no need to get anything better than a 125. Nothing. Nothing. For the city, that is.